Welcome back, everybody, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ranch channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back at the ramp, and we're back visiting Boynton today. And I'll tell you what, man, it is busy down here. And my man's let the wind and current, it appears, grab him a little bit, does a little brake check, and he's going to see if he can try and push this thing back over, but this has been a common theme today. Current's pulling right to left, and a lot of boats have struggled, but Wifey does the jump off here, and she's going to get the save. Well, maybe the assist. And she's going to bring him back into the dock. But one of the craziest parts about today is just how busy this place is. You can see the line in the background of trucks and trailers waiting to get on the ramp, and there are boats literally circling right now, waiting for docks to try and load and unload. So it's just wild when I see it get this busy down here, but I am confused right now by this white pickup truck. So this is a triple axle trailer and obviously a massive truck, but I don't believe this boat requires a triple axle trailer, so something's going on right here for sure. Is my man about to get dock blocked? I mean, it's busy, so it's possible, but that's just a strange one. Okay, so I'm not sure what's going to go on with this one. The guy in the white truck said that his boat is over on the courtesy dock. And this guy right here definitely is going to believe that he has the right of way on this dock as well. And I'm going to shoot you on the line. I don't know the correct answer here. The white truck was here at the ramp first, but this guy was definitely on the dock before he started pulling down. I'm not going to lay judgment yet. So my man's really struggling to get this trailer back down. He's been at it for a few minutes now. Oh, wait a minute. These ones are always tough situations because the reality is I'm not really sure who's wrong here. And the real reality is both of them do truly believe that they're right. I mean, you pull up to a dock and there's nobody there, you would think that that's your dock. And this other guy, I mean, they went over to the courtesy dock because that is the courtesy thing to do. Went and got their truck and then came back down. But on a busy day like today, that's going to cause the kind of conflict and headache we're seeing right here, right now. Because everybody's just constantly moving in and out of these docks and ramps. I really don't know what the good answer is here, but I got a feeling we're in for a pretty good standoff. I mean, this guy went and got his truck. So the white truck you see in the left corner over here, that's actually his truck, but he didn't even bother pulling it down. He just left it there and came back to his boat just to prove a point. And now we're just sitting here not going anywhere. We are probably 5 or 6 minutes into this standoff. Other trucks have come, pulled up to the ramp right next to him. But one of these guys is going to have to step up and be the bigger guy. I mean, I think what started this was probably the attitude when the guy got out of the truck. It kind of looked like he was kind of barking orders back at this guy when he probably should have just said, hey man, I was at the courtesy dock. Can you just pull your boat back a little bit and I'll pull out? These are always uncomfortable situations when other people are fighting and arguing you around you. You kind of do like this couple here and just kind of try and ignore it and just pretend it's not happening as much as you can. Oh no, he went down. Oh my God, I hope he's okay. Oh, get up, buddy. Oh, he went down hard. He's getting up. All right. Whew, that was a close one. Oh man, he looks like he's all right though. I can't believe this is still going on, to be honest with you. Somebody should just pull over to the other dock. I mean, if it was me, I just want to end my day and get out of here. And now the guy across the dock's getting into it. So this guy's trying to tell him about ramp etiquette, and right now I'm starting to think that both these boaters are wrong. There are open ramps, somebody needs to pick one. And I'm not gonna lie, right now, I kind of agree with this guy. Somebody just needs to man up and do the right thing and pick an open ramp. After 15 minutes, somebody's finally gonna do the right thing. And he's just going to go ahead and put this on the dock, and I'm assuming he's going to move his truck. I'm assuming they would have already done this, but he backed this truck down. I'm assuming his wife can't back that truck down. This really is a tough one, guys. Let me know in the comments below who you think was in the right or the wrong in this situation. And that's kind of what I thought was going on here. The wife was in the truck. She doesn't have the ability, unfortunately, to back this trailer down. So she was just kind of stuck up there. But, I mean, this could have been resolved a million ways, man. I don't know how they feel there's any winner on this one, though. Both of you guys lost. Both of you guys spent an extra 20 minutes down here at the ramp because everybody had to be the winner. And that doesn't make a whole lot of sense. The only people who really lost today was everybody else down here at the ramp having to watch this. I mean, neither one of these gentlemen in the end portrayed themselves in a very good light. I mean, all either one had to do was go to an open dock that was sitting right next to it. Literally either one. Or even, I mean, this guy who's docked here could have just backed his boat up a few feet and said, yeah, man, go ahead and try and pull through. I mean, just out of common courtesy at the ramp. But sometimes that one goes out the door and everybody's having a little bit too much fun out there on the water, and it is what it is. But you know what? It looks like this is going to be the end of this one, and these guys are all going to get out of here. And speaking of getting out of here, we're going to go ahead and get out of here as well. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have our good friend Wavy Boats channel, who does a bunch of great things over there at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, we do some great comedy boating videos there. And of course, we've got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet in Miami, Florida. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.